Morning viewers and subscribers. I go say something to you guys. I want to believe this. In Grenada, when somebody bring you up for child maintenance, you pay 175 in the court. Guys, I go show you this. I pay $200 for my baby at 2 months old in the court. And now these people have me in court for child maintenance for more money. Remember, 175 a month for child maintenance. Me, I pay two. Now, I'm going to show you the receipt, guys. Yeah, guys. You know, look. $200 sit down at the bottom. And now, them have me in a court from 2022. I defend $300 a month. Mr. Andrew Holness, I'm going to tell you again. You see, but I like you go everywhere in the Caribbean. But you see, this country, me wouldn't like you come here. I'm going to tell you the reason why me wouldn't like you come here. Then we stone you, like how them stone Marcus Garvey. They not like we. You understand? I tell you clean. They not like we. What is a bang belly goat? Bang belly goat. Bag your face when you come a court. You suck a little money out of me. I know you want to suck a little blood. People, they have me in a court for that for 3 criminal charge. I go back a court 15th of May. Guys, I go make you know what I go on. I'm out, guys.